Well, I've bitten the bullet and decided to do something that I've been planning on doing for quite some time, and I've set up a small N gauge model railway. It's only a fairly basic oval layout at the moment, using Kato unitrack, running a brand new Atlas loco. I'll fire it up and give you a bit of a look. She runs pretty smooth. Yeah, it's definitely something I've been thinking about for a while. Just, something indoor hobby, something that can be, utilised and, played around with. We never know when we're going back into lockdown or whatever. So, as I say, I've been into model trains ever since I was a child. My grandfather actually got me into it. He used to have a really, really, really neat HO scale set up under his house, and it was brilliant. This is N scale, so it's sort of the next scale down. Everything's very fine and very fiddly, but I like the idea of N scale because you can cram a lot more interesting scenery and a lot more sort of intricate tracks into a fairly small area. This layout's 1800 long by 900 wide by 1200 at the end there where the control boxes are. They're just sitting there at the moment because I've only just literally hooked it up and got it going. But yeah, it's definitely, the start of another rabbit hole, I guess. But I'll be adding to this, and this is, as I say, this is just the beginning. So hope you guys follow along, and yeah, we'll sort of work out more things we can do with it. Just as a little interim, I've got a little turnout here which is operated via these switches here. So if we switch it to that one, that sends it off onto the track to nowhere at this stage. Come down reverse. Yeah, it runs very smooth. I'm amazed at just how smooth everything is. We go back and we will change those points to straight. Forward. There we go. So yeah, the mind boggles the amount of ideas that I've got sort of floating around in the head. There's still a fair bit of room on the board to to make sort of more intricate tracks and different directions and things. So definitely something that I'm going to build upon. Got a little bit of a turn of speed about it too. I don't really want to do too much of that at the moment because as I say, it's a brand new Atlas loco, so I want to sort of take it easy on it and run it in. I'm going to wear it out before I've worn it in. But yeah, that's an update on where things are at, and hopefully yeah, this someone may have a bit of interest in it, and I'm always after tips and tricks, and any advice is most welcome.